In this course, I'll be showing you how SharePoint works, and if you would like to work along with me, try some of these things out, I'll tell you what it is you'll need. First, you will need to have SharePoint, a current version of SharePoint. There are two primary current versions of SharePoint. SharePoint Server 2016, which is installed in your organization. It's also called SharePoint On-Premises. And SharePoint Online, of which there are several flavors, but normally it's part of Office 365. This course focuses on SharePoint Online. All of the SharePoint products run in a browser, so it behooves us to take a look at what browsers work and which really aren't supported. First, Microsoft Internet Explorer 10 or 11. If you're running an earlier version of Internet Explorer, it's not supported for SharePoint. Microsoft Edge, which premiered with Windows 10, is also a fine browser for SharePoint. For the other desktop browsers, we're looking at whatever the latest version is. For example, the latest version of Google Chrome, of Mozilla Firefox, and of Apple Safari. Older versions of those browsers aren't going to be as well supported, may not be supported at all. As you look at the browser list, realize that what you're being asked for is the latest version of whatever browser it is you're using. This is the list of supported browsers. You might say, well, what other browsers are there? A lot of other browsers, but these are the browsers that are supported for SharePoint. We also have the ability to use SharePoint on a mobile device, for example, an iPad or a tablet. And there are mobile browsers. And so with our mobile browsers, if you are using, for example, a Windows Phone, you can use Edge or you can use Internet Explorer that would run on a Windows Phone 8.1. If you're using Apple iOS 8 or later, then you're looking at either Safari or Chrome. And if you're using an Android 4.4 or later, then Chrome will be your browser there. If you'd really like to work along and you don't yet have SharePoint, consider using SharePoint Online as part of Office 365. You can get a short-term subscription and sometimes even a free trial to work with SharePoint and see what you think of it.